Church and Convent of Santa Maria del Piano. On the margins of the historic centre, we find the 17th century convent of Santa Maria del Piano, with the connected church which was already existing in the 1400s, as testifies the iconography of the Madonna and the bas-relief depicting a procession of angels at her feet. This is a monastery of the Franciscan order, as testifies the coat of arms sculpted in the keystone on the entry portal. Two arms, a garment of sackcloth and the other nude, respectively representing St. Francis and Jesus, cross over with the cross. As occurred for many other convents, this too was suppressed by the French in 1809 to confiscate it for the state treasury. Successively, it became private property, like the church, but notwithstanding that, the cult professed towards this Madonna has remained very much alive. In the interior of the church, on the ligneous altar going back to the mid-1700s and flanked by two affrescoes, the statue of the Virgin is cemented in an all-in-one with the base of the niche protecting it, a particular which was unfortunately not sufficient to impede thieves over 30 years ago from stealing the Bambino, leaving evident the signs of this wrenching away. According to the tradition, the statue of Santa Maria was rediscovered on a hornbeam tree, at the point in which today it can be found, around which the church was therefore constructed. In the cotto pavement stands out the white of a stone plate, which reproduces the Franciscan coat of arms, this time without the cross, placed at the closure of a tomb. On the 15th of August there is the celebration of Santa Maria, characterized by the traditional blessing of the children to invoke upon them the maternal protection of the Virgin, whose equivalent weight in grain was offered to the Madonna up to the 1950s. The church and the adjacent convent stand just outside the historic centre, in a wide and lowland zone which has hosted the Fiera di Santa Maria during the morning of the 15th of August since its institution in 1829.